Good morning, students. Students, so long we were discussing about the Paris. Now we come to the last segment, and that is the life of the people. The people who live in these grassland, what type of life they lead, let us discuss. Now, first of all, I want to tell you that the Europeans long back, they migrated from their land and came to America and settled down. The Americans whom you see nowadays, have a look at the Americans, they are those people who had come from Europe. Now these Europeans, these people have converted through their lot of hard work, this grassland, vast stretch of grassland, they have been converted to the farming areas. Now children, you must remember this grassland is actually hectares and hectares of land areas. It's not a small plot of land. It's huge area. You can imagine from north to south and the central part, this huge area is this grassland of the Paris. And here the Europeans who had once in long back settled down, came from their motherland and settled down in America. Now they are from generations they are living in this area of this land, and through their lot of hard work, this land has turned into a farming area and a very developed area where they produce enough crops which can be consumed by the people of their land, and they can be exported to other areas also. So these grasslands are now farmland, as we discussed that the eastern part and the central part are suitable for farming because they get moderate rainfall. Farmers here, they live in their own farms. Now, why they live on their own farms? Because they have hectares and hectares of land area. And children, their country is not as populated as India. So they have enough areas for people to live. They can have if you have seen those different programs on these countries of America, different countries of West, especially America or the European countries, you see that they live in an area where they have a lot of space around their homes. So they live in their land and means in on their farms only. They have very few workers because most of the work of farming is also done by the machines. They have the most advanced technology, and as you know, one of the most developed country in the world is America, so they have all the equipments for modern methods of farming is done there. So not only tractors, even the different stages of farming, they are also done with the help of machine. So children, remember, they live on their farms with few workers because most of the work is done by the machine. So they live in this homestead. Just show you, it is in your textbook only. Homesteads. You can see how beautiful houses they have, and they have enough space, and then hectares and hectares of farming land, each and every farmer they have. Now the different work of farming, the different stages of farming, plowing, you know that the land has to be dug properly, and have to dig the land and make it ready, prepare it for the farming. Then sowing of seeds, then after the seeds before that there is like you have to take the unwanted weeds, and that is also there. Harvesting, cutting of the crops, threshing, the wheat has a covering, so it has to be threshed so that the covering is gone, means to take out that covering, the brownish cover, or this threshing is done. Winnowing, children, is like blowing. With the machine they blow on those that cover that has come out, it will be taken out, means jhar means like you do something and then you do this sieve type of thing where you put the grains and you do this, shake it so that all the husk is taken out. So they blow powerfully, and so those cover or the husk that has come out will just disappear, and it will become means you can now take the wheat and store it. Storing is done because they produce enough, so they have to store for the whole year and for exporting. So all these work is done by the machines. Now food grains are stored in silos, that is also given in your textbook, where you can see a long cylindrical type of thing is there where they can store such a huge one, you can see, so that they can store the grains for the whole year. So all this type of work is done by the machine, even in storing purpose. And you can see, I'll just show you a picture. Where you can see the machines are, cutting the grains. They are actually plowing the field. So the grains are being cut. So all these work is done to tell you that each and every stages of farming is done with the help of machine. So manpower is less in their country, so they mostly do their work with the help of machine, and so because of advanced technology they use this type of this way of farming. Okay, now next we are going to discuss about the dairy farm.